it is always said that architects or designer is the first person who sees the final outcome before even it's drawn on paper.
See, if the doors are not locked, you cannot open a new door.
I'm an architect, passed out from Surat itself. I did my master's from Oxford. So we came back to Surat in 2010. And immediately after that, we started our firm. It's Adda Architects. And I work with my partners. It's Davalsa and Kaushal Leri. So it's an amazing journey that we started in 2011. So it's been 14 years we are working in Surat.
I know him since years, but I met at the airport. We were having tea together. And then the conversation started. So he asked me that, kya naya laaye ho? Because see, as an architect, I know him since years. They're exploring new options. So I said, this is new. So he said, ye to chal hi raha hai. I said, no, but now we have got into the lower height. And he said, oh, you have it? I said, yeah, I have it. And then at a very short notice, I got a call from sir that client is over here. He is willing to meet you. Can you come down? And within 2 hours, I was at sir's office and I explained him the whole thing. So only thing skeptical was the client was about the system and the maintenance part and how things work at our firm. So the way we presented the client, the way we explained him, it was with so passion and so excitement and so enthusiasm. At the end of the meeting, he said, it is okay, I believe you. We were only going to do it in one room. Now you do both the flats with the whole system. So that is a win-win situation for us.
See, as an architect or as a designer, there are two things that we always work on. One is aesthetic, and definitely another is the services. If I say service is the core of the any space. Many times it's not seen, it's not visible, but it is the heart and soul of the space. So it is very much important to understand and solve the MEP at a level that it never hinder your aesthetics, and definitely without compromising on the space environment. So it is very important. MEP is I think the most important part. If as I say that services are the things that you cannot change within a short time. Aesthetical things are it is ever changing. You can change it in months, or even you can change I can say it is a temporary kind of a thing. Aesthetics, it can be changed by changing few artworks, few loose items, but the services is the very integral and very permanent part of the design and a space. So MEP is the thing which comes first as an architect for us in the design. It has to be solved in a way that it never hinder the aesthetics, as well as it supports, and as well as uh, uh, it is as I say, it is the integral and the very first part of the space. So I think services is the core of the design.
So in our design language, aesthetic का मतलब ये है कि आर्किटेक्ट ने स्पेस बताया कि उसमें मुझे ऐसी ऐसा कुछ चाहिए, and we try to incorporate the same thing that they ask us to do. If not, then we give a near about option which does not hamper the concept or the design of the architect. Simple.
सी चैलेंजेस तो हमेशा आते हैं, बट वी थिंक कि हमने कुछ सॉल्यूशन निकाला है. तो इट वाज अ सिमिलर केस. हमारे पास एक कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट है, कमर्शियल ऑफिस प्रोजेक्ट, कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिस, which is a 16 feet height, and clients wanted to use cut it by 2. So we have 2 floors in a 16 feet. So each floor is around, final is like 7.5. So I designed it with a tower AC. I called him that we have a project. So he came into a picture. He saw the whole design, what I have did. But he came up with his own solution. तो वो बहुत बढ़िया था. तो उन्होंने खुद से एक डिजाइन सजेस्ट किया, एक पूरा नया, रादर देन अ प्रोडक्ट, इट वाज अ सॉल्यूशन. सो उन्होंने उन्होंने बोला कि सर मुझे टाइम दो, आई विल गिव यू अ न्यू काइंड ऑफ सॉल्यूशन फॉर यू इन द पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट. एंड ही केम अप विद अ वेरी नाइस सॉल्यूशन वेयर हमारी जो मन की जो इच्छाएँ होती है हमेशा कि सर्विसेज़ होनी चाहिए, दिखनी नहीं चाहिए। तो उन्होंने वो करके दिखाया इन वेरी चैलेंजिंग वे कि जहाँ पे फाइनल हाइट इज़ जस्ट 7 फीट ईच फ्लोर। बट तो उसके अंदर हमारे पास सिर्फ़ सर्विसेज़ जाने के लिए बहुत ही लिमिटेड स्पेस था। उसके अंदर मुझे फायर लेनी थी, इलेक्ट्रिकल, प्लम्बिंग, अकॉस्टिक, सीलिंग, इसके साथ एसी। वो पूरा उन्होंने जितना भी मैंने लिमिटेड स्पेस दिया था कि इसके अंदर इसके ऊपर नहीं जाना है अदरवाइज़ इट विल कट डाउन टू माय स्पेस। सो व्हिच इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल बिलो गोइंग बिलो 7 फीट इज़ it will be crucial and it is cruel for the people they are working in. So it's not possible. If you can do it in this space, that's best. And Sagar bhai has come up with a solution. They have designed a floor mounted AC.
So I was called in the office for discussion of this project for the final checks, and then sir shared me one drawing. Okay, office hai. You have to do the AC, and we have designed this tower AC. I said, sir, tower AC will take up a lot of space. Why not come up with this thing? So उसमें पहले चैलेंज था कि मैं हाइट नहीं दूंगा. I said, okay, मुझे हाइट नहीं चाहिए. Then he said कि मेरे ग्लास पार्टीशंस आ रहे हैं. I said, okay, there is one space of partition where we can take the AC, and then uh, we also got the structure guy on board. We asked him to change the structure ka design also, keeping incorporating the design that all the services also have been thoroughly done, keeping in mind the commitment that we had given. So it was, मतलब दरवाजे के पीछे एसी था, उसका फ्लो, उसका पोजीशन सर पे नहीं लगना चाहिए. You get a lot of draft whenever the AC is near to you because they are small cabins. प्लस साउथ वेस्ट है तो गर्मी नहीं लगनी चाहिए. तो इट वाज अ फन प्रोजेक्ट टू वर्क विद. फन एज इन मतलब ड्राइंग पे जितना डिफिकल्टी सॉल्व होने में लगा था, it was 3 times difficult at the site also to resolve the whole issue. I mean, we love challenges because, see, if the doors are not locked, you cannot open a new door. So I always feel challenges are good in your life because it will open up your mind. It will open up your capability or your caliber that you can do more.
It is always said that architects or designer is the first person who sees the site, who sees the final outcome before even it's drawn on paper. Site is the second thing. So first thing, we always keep our vision very clear at first. So we always keep our vision to client and forward it to all the agencies, all the service guys, and always make them believe in our own vision that this is possible. Let's work together. Let's work in a way that we can get the best product. In today's time, when each and every aspect of technology, aesthetics, and in every industry is changing very fast, evolving in a better way. So it is the best thing that you collaborate. So I don't see Sagar Bhai or any other agency as a vendor. I think I take it as a collaboration because uh, without their help, I cannot be solving this kind of technical solutions. I cannot give this solution because I can just envision this. I can think about it. I want it this way and this way only. But to solve this and to get the technical detail about this, I need their help.
See, at first instance, architect, whenever he's designing a space, he has a lot of objects or a lot of things to be taken care of. So we know the design language of the architect. We try to know the design language, and in that design language, we try to blend our own systems. We try to integrate our own concept, and that is how we work. So our vision is that the architect's design should not hinder just because of AC. Because what happens is a project from scratch to our stage will take at least 6 months or 3 months or 2 months. And the moment I come and I'm saying, "Get sir, this will not work. We'll have to change the design." It is our failure that we are not able to deliver that thing that, you see it as first instance. So we always try and ask to share the 3D or the concept or the vision that they have with a particular space. And with that vision, we try to read out their mind and give an option in that particular space, keeping in mind it should be practical and optimized.
If it is a better possibility, even after working on site, if we see that there is a better possibility of working it, then we redo it, because the what matters is the final product and the best product. So for that, we are always up and we are always together.
See what happens in life के X बंदा बोल रहा है मैं X चीज कर दूंगा. Just to take that project or just to take that job, you should not commit कि okay मैं कर दूंगा. सीख के आओ, कोई सीखने से छोटा बड़ा नहीं हो जाता है. So 15 years back when I entered in the business, our company did not have an existence, I would say. Few projects we had into the home segment. Ghar wala, we were basically known for the commercial and industrial projects. So when I entered in the business, we were doing very few projects and I saw a scope over there. And this is where we are today. So we have learned, I have done R&D myself. I have come up with things. I have evolved. I have tried to learn the architect's way, and this is how far we have come. So people who are new to business should learn, should deliver what they are committing. Just के सामने किसी ने बोला है कि सर मैं ये कर दूंगा. If you feel it is not right, say no. So at times there are few projects where customer is just looking at the figure, not the value addition that we are providing. So at the end he said no, वो ऐसा कर रहा है, आप कर पाएंगे. तो हम लोग प्यार से politely बोलते हैं कि सर that genre or that zone we are not into practice. And we politely say no, and then we end the sentence that if you are facing any issue, please let us know, because we know that it is not right. And being a firm with our 30 years legacy can say no, then why not a new guy who does not know anything but takes the projects and says yes?
Every industry is changing and evolving. At this point, I think someone like Jair is the best for us, because they have a young blood, second generation, who is keen to evolve and very much into R&D in this own field, as well as they have a 30 years of experience, generational experience in this field. So see, 30 years is a trust. If something new comes, then it's a new system. How come a client will trust you if it is a very new system? How can client will allow you to experiment in his project? Why experiment on his project? Then the 30 years of legacy, 30 years of experience comes in. Like, guys, this is an experience we have. We trust this system. So we believe in the system, then we can deliver it.
All right, so I think we wrap this up.
Thank you.
And